nearly resulted in the death of the steak. Would anybody here like to see that? Yeah. Okay, let's just have a look at this before we get cracking. Here we come up to Gambon corner. A little wide and really very wide indeed. And there is the...
I never liked him from the start.
You didn't like him? He is actually deep.
You know, it's very rude. If someone talks to you, never shows you his face. You know?
Now, obviously, the first thing I noticed is you've arrived with a face hair. That's what I'm going to say.
That's all my... It actually peels off.
Does it really?
No, it doesn't.
Is this for a movie, I presume?
Why else would you wear a thing like this?
Yeah. Now, we're sorting out the issue of motorhomes tonight, I think what you would call RVs.
Right.
I understand you are a caravan enthusiast.
I have an Airstream trailer.
Is it the chrome?
The chrome silver bullet looking thing. Mm-hmm. And in this case, it's a large one. It's 34 feet, which is fantastic.
The thing about an Airstream is it looks very good, but you still have to crap in a bucket.
Yeah, like that piece of you provided for me over here. There's hot water in there somewhere.
No, there isn't.
No.
You are actually, joking aside, you are a family man. I mean, you run a very close family, I would say. Was that right?
4 kids, 3 girls first, and now a little boy. We started all over again.
And your daughter, Dominic,
yes,
she is in your new film, I gather.
She's in City Island, which opens on Friday, the 23rd.
You're allowed to do that? And what's it about? It's a farce. Would that be what we call it?
It's a human comedy, you know, about this dysfunctional Italian-American family and all the secrets they share, they harbor from each other. And it's a wonderful story, and we're very proud of the film.
Well, we've got a clip of it, which I'd like to show. Let's have a look at this clip.
I was thinking as, you know, being a Saturday night and all, and Vivian's here, why don't we have a big home-cooked dinner tonight? Big, nice.